RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
Are you looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Hello and welcome to Rhythm. I'm Shreyasa Vijayan. You're watching our special segment Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell and join our ever-growing community of career enthusiasts. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy has invited applications for the position of veterinary officer. The application format and details regarding age, qualifications, experience and other eligibility conditions are available on the Academy's website at www.sppnpa.gov.in. The Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology or IITM Pune has invited applications for the post of Scientific Officer Grade 1, Library and Information. Detailed information about the position is available on the IITM website at www.tropmet.res.in. The last date for receipt of online application is 18 June 2024. The Directorate General Border Security Force is recruiting for various Group B and C posts in the BSF Water Wing. Applications will be accepted through online mode until 1 July 2024. Several vacancies are available, so for all the details, please visit rectt.bsf.gov.in. Tezpur University, a central university, is inviting online applications from eligible candidates for several administrative positions including Registrar, Internal Audit Officer, Deputy Registrar, Assistant Registrar and several others. The last date for submission of applications through the online portal is 15 June 2024 and the last date for submission of duly signed hard copies of the online application along with supporting documents is 25th June 2024. For more information about the post, please visit the official website www.tezu.ernet.in. Additionally, Tezpur University Assam has also invited applications for several teaching positions in different departments for the posts of Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor. The last stage of submission is the same as for the administrative post vacancies. The Directorate General Fire Service, Civil Defence and Home Guards has invited applications to fill out various posts in the National Fire Service College, Nagpur, under the Ministry of Home Affairs on a deputation basis. The available posts include Deputy Director, Chief Instructor, Laboratory Technician Grade 1 and Senior Instructor. For detailed information on eligibility criteria, application procedure and other relevant details, please visit the website www.bgfscdhg.gov.in and www.nfscnagpur.nic.in. Sainik School Imphal, Manipur has invited applications for the post of Art Master and TGT Social Sciences. For detailed notifications including essential qualifications, reservation criteria, salary and the application form, please visit the school's website at www.ssimphal.nic.in. Kutch Railway Company Limited invites applications for the post of Chief Financial Officer on an absorption basis. The last date for receipt of applications is 20 June 2024. For more details, please visit the official websites at www.kutchrail.org or www.rvnl.org. Northeastern Regional Institute of Water and Land Management has invited applications for the posts of Administrative Officer and Assistant Library and Information Officer. Details regarding the application format, eligibility, qualifications and other information can be found on the official website at www.neriwalm.gov.in. Unique Identification Authority of India has invited applications for filling up the posts of Assistant Section Officer and Assistant Account Officer at its regional office in Mumbai. The last date for submitting completed applications is 13 June 2024. For further details, please visit the official website uidai.gov.in. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, a central university in Gujarat, is looking for talented and passionate candidates with an excellent academic background to join its faculty for a wide range of positions. The required qualifications, experience, and specializations vary by position. The last date for online application is 30 June 2024. For more details, please visit www.gsv.ac.in. So that wraps up today's updates. But worry not, we'll be keeping you in the loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you have enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.